How to create a map in the Jawg Lab. Welcome to this tutorial series on how to use the Jawg Lab to create beautiful maps. In this first tutorial, I'll give you a quick overview of the platform, and I'll show you how to create this map that locates all the beautiful trees in Paris in under 3 minutes. Let's go. So, first off, in every section of the lab, you'll have this small help window that will explain what you can find in that specific section and share some tips. The first section is the Style Manager. That allows you to create different styles for your maps. Creating a new style can take some time to get just right, so you might want to use a pre-built Jawg style to get started. We'll show you how the Style Manager works in another tutorial. Here, we have the Dataset Manager. You can create a new dataset from the lab or import your own dataset from another source. The Map Manager is where all the magic happens, and you combine your map style and your dataset. This here is the Access Token section. This can be useful if you're creating multiple maps or applications, and you want to see the stats for each individual application, to see if one consumes more than the other, for example. But you don't need to worry about this if you're just creating one map for one application. Finally, we've got the Statistics tab. This one kind of speaks for itself. We'll present all these more in depth in another tutorial, but this gives you an idea of what your metrics could look like after some time. Alright, let's get to it. The first step is to create a new dataset. I've selected an existing dataset that locates beautiful trees in Paris. So let's edit the dataset. Here you can see you have a few options. You can decide to add data manually or import data through a GeoJSON file. This tutorial is just to give you a quick overview of how to create a simple map. So let's import some data. Here we go. So now that that's done, let's save and exit. Make sure you publish the dataset so that it can appear on your map. Now let's head into the Map Manager and create a new map. Let's put the map over Europe and activate our dataset. Ta-da! Here are our data points. As you can see, I jazzed it up a little using a custom tree icon. Doesn't it look better? Now let's click the Use Current Position to set the landing view for our map. And let's choose another style. This one's a bit gray for my taste. I'm going to pick Jawg Sunny and hit Save. Again, make sure to publish so that the changes can go live. And voila! The map is created, and you can click the Use button to get the iframe code to integrate into your app or website. Here you can also change the position of your landing view. You can see that when I move this around and zoom in and out, the position updates right here. Alright, thanks for watching and see you in the next Jawg Lab tutorial.